Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this website called DreamHost. So let's get started. DreamHost offer a web host service. That means they help you create a website. They give you space on the server. Think of a server like a big computer that holds your website files. You can get a different type of hosting, share hosting like sharing an apartment. It's cheaper. BPS is like having your own small house. It's more powerful. They also sell a domain names, that's your website address. If you use WordPress, they offer a managed WordPress hosting, which makes it easier to run your site on their platform. I'm talking about their key features. Dream Hosting has some really helpful features. These features make building and managing your website simpler. They also help your site perform better. So let's explore 5 of the best features on this platform. So one of the best 5 features is a managed WordPress hosting, which is for one. Then talking about the other features, which is the free SSL certificate and also a strong uptime guarantee together with a web marketing service together with a 24/7 expert support. So talking about the pricing plan, DreamHost offer a different plan to fit multiple needs. And here a quick look at the price. They have a shared starter plan. They also have a Dream Press plan and a VPS plan. And each of these plan has their features and their pricing. So you can just simply get back to the website to check out the plan which suits for your website building and your website hosting. So talking about the pricing plan, choosing a host is a key. So we are going to weigh the good side and the bad side of this feature. So starting with the good side, it comes with a strong uptime guarantee, user-friendly interface with a generous money back period, and also a wide range of options together with a free SSL and CDN. Talking about the bad side, which is the phone support limited, control panel unique, and some features cost extra. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the website. Thanks.